Hello kids, today in this video we'll learn alphabets from A to F in capital letters. But before that we'll learn some colors. Black color. Pink. This is dark pink. Light pink. Sky blue. Yellow color. Red color. Dark blue color. Orange color. Dark green color. Brown color. Light green. Purple color. So let's start our alphabets. But before writing our alphabets, I'll color the star with yellow color. This is yellow color. Okay? So here we have completed our stars with yellow color. Okay, so let's write the alphabets from A to F. So first I'll take red color to write the letter A. This is capital letter A. A for aeroplane. A for aeroplane. Next I'll take light green color. This is light green color. To write letter B. This is capital letter B. B for ball. B for ball. Next I'll take blue color. This is blue color. To write the letter C. This is capital letter C. C for cat. C for cat. Next I'll take orange color. This is orange color. To write the letter D. This is capital letter D. D for dog. D for dog. Next I'll take dark green color. This is dark green color. To write the letter E. This is capital letter E. E for elephant. E for elephant. Next I'll take dark blue color to write the letter F. This is letter F. Capital letter F. F for fish. F for fish. So hence we have completed our alphabets from A to F in capital letters. Let's repeat once again. A, B, C, D, E, F. So that's it for today kids. I hope you like this video, and if you like it, hit a thumbs up and share this video with your friends. See you in my next video. Take care and bye bye.